What's up, YouTube? What a lovely Thanksgiving today. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving!
It's raining on and off, 50 degrees, normal North Country weather. But guess what? We're smoking a prime rib today. Oh yeah, brother! Like, you see my breath? It's been 70, it's been 20. Today's 50, but we're doing it anyways. Check this stuff out. All right, today we're using wood chips. Always use wood chunks in this thing. We're using wood chips today. Premium blend. Apple, hickory, oak. Normally I use cherry. Doing something a little bit different for the prime rib. We already got it up to about 280 degrees because it's raining on it. It's a little bit colder. We are doing a prime rib today, choice cut. I just want to make sure I can keep the heat up. I did pull my one deflector in there. I'll throw a picture up on the screen, just so we can keep the temperature up, because I can only get it up to about 250 with that in there. All right, guys, we're gonna add in the water pan in the prime rib. Check this piece of meat out. Choice cut, great deal on it, awesome marbling. Salt, pepper, garlic, a little avocado oil. Can you see the smoke coming out of my mouth? Look at that. Look at that. All right, Meatball Team here. So we got the prime rib in the smoker. 2 to 3 hours probably, I'm guessing. Light smoke coming out perfect. So, funny story, there's a car driving by. And we're back. So I go to the family, everybody's always eating turkey or ham for Thanksgiving, right? The family's like, we don't want turkey. What did the family vote on, bud?
Prime rib.
Why did they vote on prime rib?
Because it's good.
Because it's good. Because it's good. So, we've smoked turkeys, we've smoked tons of stuff. Why not prime rib for Thanksgiving? It's way better. So we'll check back in a little bit, get some photos when it starts to get a nice crust on it. Got my cameraman and helper going today. I don't know why we're doing this. It's shooting water everywhere, isn't it? Alright, we'll see you guys later. Alright, so we had to call an audible. Wood chips do not work in this huge smoker. No way. So I'm trying to use up some old stuff I got, soaking the wood chips. Started cutting biscuits off of some cherry. Turkey carving station here, aka wood setup. Cutting some pieces off, throwing it in there. We got the smoker running 275, 280. Working. All right, check it out. We're loaded up. It's running nice. We're about an hour, hour and a half in. 85, 90 degrees on the meat. Get her up to 125 and we're gonna be good to go. Got the coals burning nicely over there. We're gonna shut the door and let her roll again.
Are you ready to check this prime rib out? Oh, let's get this prime rib ready take it into the house let it sit for 30 minutes.
Oh my God. Okay. Oh yeah! Prime ribs done. Took way longer than expected. Anytime you smoke something, 4 to 5 hours, I don't care what it says. The temperature was lovely today, but check this stuff out. Oh man. Time to eat, we're hungry. Like, subscribe, comment. Don't you hate it when people say that? Peace. Oh yeah! Except for that part. Is it stupid? I just gotta try a piece of it. It looks like, oh my God. You don't even need a knife.
Oh.